presentation program. My name is Prafulla Kumar Tripathi. I'm a mechanical engineer. I would like to welcome you all on this great Next Money Life Changing Business Plan presentation program. Next Money is a business. You can do this business with any profession you are in. So by doing this business, you can have an additional income source of around 2 to 3 lakhs of rupees every month. If you have an aim to even earn more beyond that, then this business can take you up to your level of expectation. It's such a huge business opportunity. So please listen it very carefully. It's very difficult for some people, those who are earning right now 50,000, 70,000 or 1 lakh rupees, to believe that you can earn 3 lakhs a month or 5 lakhs rupees a month. It's very difficult to believe it. Is it real or not? But remember one thing, today whatever we will discuss here, it is all real. Okay, you will know at the end of this program. So my point here is, please listen this program very carefully, watch this webinar. Okay, so remember one thing, as long as your income is coming from your individual effort, okay, only one person's effort, it can be a 9 to 5 job if you are in a job, or it can be a 9 to 9 business if you are doing any business. But whatever money you are earning at this moment right now, if it is coming from your individual effort, it is always limited. For some people, it can be 30,000 a month, 50,000, 70,000, or 1 lakh rupees a month. Okay. But when a group of people, let us say 50 or 500 or 5,000 people's effort is added to your effort, that means you are earning money out of this combined effort. Ultimately, your income goes high. You can earn every month lakhs of rupees. Altogether, this is a teamwork. If your income is attached with teamwork, you can earn huge money. Okay. This teamwork concept came to India 30 years back. There are so many product-based companies, they are working on it. But today I'm going to share with you a fantastic business plan opportunity where we need not sell any product to anyone. Okay. This is totally a service sector business. Again, the kind of services we are already using, like mobile recharge, TV recharge. Okay. You know, Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, there are many application-based applications where major type of services are there. Quite similar to that, this is an application. Okay. Measure of services, whatever we are using there, majority of that services we can use from here also, from Next Money application. Okay. But so those services we are already using, but now with this application, if you do a mobile recharge, you will get some income. If you do a TV recharge, you get some income. All the transactions, you get some income from your every transaction. So that's a really fantastic business. So the company that will provide all this kind of services, the name of that company is Next Money. It is already in your mobile screen. Okay. So keep the mobile in horizontal position so that the screen will be larger and you can understand everything very clearly. So now what you need to do, just we'll go details of this company first. Okay. This is a number one, Next Money company is a number one award-winning company in direct selling in service sector. You know, many product-based companies also, but this is a service sector business. Okay, that is the number one award-winning direct selling company in service sector. The full name of this company is NextGen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited, and the CMD of this company is Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman, a brilliant person who started this company in the year 2013 as an IT company. But in 2017, he registered this company in MCA, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, as service sector direct selling company. And after getting permission from there, since last 3 years, this company is running successfully business across India. Government approved project. On 9th September 2016, first time Government of India introduced direct selling guidelines. All the direct selling companies, they submitted their company details to Ministry of Consumer Affairs, and after verification, as per the direct selling guidelines, Ministry of Consumer Affairs has given 456 companies to run their business direct selling company in India officially. If you go through that list, okay, in the serial number 2017-77, you will get the name of this company, NextGen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited. And on 26th December 2017, this company's application was accepted in MCA. Maharashtra Pune is the headquarter of this company. And the most important part is that out of these 456 companies, okay, NextMoney is the only company, it is registered in MCA, a service sector registered company, and the remaining 455 companies are all product-based companies. So India's first and only service sector registered company in MCA is NextMoney. That's the uniqueness. This is company's GST certificate, MCA certificate, PAN card, MSME certificate, incorporation certificate. Now, awards and recognition. Central Vigilance Commission has given certificate of commitment to this company. India 5000 Best MSME Award, this company received in the year 2018. E-commerce award, Bangkok award, Dubai award, Best Android App Development Company award, this company received in the year 2017. Rajiv Gandhi Shiromani Award, that is Tripura government has given this, Governor of Tripura, like this in last 2.5 years time. This company has received many more awards and they are still receiving. Now we all know that Government of India's mission to make India, Digital India, Make in India, Startup India, Cashless India, all these things are promoted by this company through B2B business platform. And this company's mission is also Digital India, Healthy India and Wealthy India. This is all about the company and the legality of this company. This is the only service sector registered organization in India. Now, we'll go to the most unique points of this business. This is a service sector business. We need not sell products to anyone. Okay. And another one important point here is that instant payout facility. Till now, there are so many established direct selling companies in India, okay, where their payout system is monthly once. But here it is instant payout. Okay. That means if you refer a person, okay, to that knowing the business details from you, if a person becomes the prime member of this company, I will tell you about details, then immediately you earn money due to instant payout facility. Okay. And if a person do a mobile or TV recharge in your team, immediately you will receive money due to instant payout facility. So round the clock, every minute, every second, you earn money through this business instant payout system. And this is zero liability, no liabilities, nothing. This is very small nominal amount investment. It's a very, and being a user of this application also, we can earn more than that money. So nobody is losing money here. That's why this business is accepted by almost 100% in the market by different leaders or common men and women also. Even professional people, they like to do this business because it's a service sector business. Okay, so that's the beauty of this business. And most importantly, if it could be a product-based business, you have to go to a person, show the product demo, explain about the product, then somebody will buy the product and all, it becomes the business. But here what happens, because it is a service sector business, no need to go anywhere. Staying at your home also, you can grow this business. For example, right now, I'm sitting at my home and showing this business plan presentation. You are also in your home sitting there and watching this webinar. You invited some people today on this platform for the first time. Some people are listening this, watching this webinar. They are also from different parts of India and sitting in their home, they are watching this. If they like the business, they become prime member of this company, and ultimately the person who invited them, their business happened. That means by you just invited over telephone to some of the people to our Zoom meeting, and your team senior leaders, experienced leaders, they are showing the plan in different languages, in different time. So by inviting only, your business happens. So you save time, no need to go anywhere. Okay. And you can, without spending a single rupee for business growth also, you can expand this business across India. That's the beauty of service sector business. And you know, nowadays, going to a person, meeting somewhere else, going out of your house and meeting somewhere someone is riskful due to corona and all positive cases, all these things. So this is such a business at the is the time needs. As per the time, this is very much suitable business. While sitting at your home also, a housewife can grow this business across India, throughout India. That's the beauty of this business. Even professional people, those who are over busy with their profession, they can also spend daily 15 to 20 minutes time, invite some of your people to this meeting. Okay. Then also you can expand a business. Slowly and gradually it will start a small team, and it's a growing business. In course of time, it goes a thousands of people's team. You can earn every month through this teamwork lakhs of rupees. So spending 15, 20 minutes a day is worth. So that's why even professional people can do this business. So like this, there are so many unique points in this business, but today we will discuss this much only. Let us come to the main part of this plan presentation program. The first thing what you need to do, you just download the application of this Next Money. Okay. So this is the application. Through this application from Play Store, you can download this. So this is the application. Through this application, you can do mobile TV recharge, bill payments, from booking. At the bottom, you will see booking. You can book hotels, flight, bus booking, and merchant and service, shopping, offers and tie-ups. There you will see up to 20% cashback. Again, if you click on this offers and tie-up, next page you can connect to Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, insurance. In here you can do vehicle insurance, health insurance, ticket new, Ajio, Jabang, Big Basket, Book My Show, Booking.com, Yatra.com. From fresh menu, we can order your food. Like this, so many types of services are there. So to avail all these kind of services, what you need to do, you need to become a prime member of this company. Like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, they do yearly prime membership. Every year there you have to pay. But here, this Next Money company is giving you lifetime prime membership. If a person pays 1500 rupees plus 18% GST 270, total 1770 once in lifetime, you can become the lifetime prime member of this company. No need to pay every year, no need. And by paying 1770, you can get, company will give you lifetime guaranteed cashback service. Okay. And along with that, 1550 reward points also. One reward point is equivalent to 1 rupee. That means it is equivalent to 1550 rupees. So while you do your mobile or TV recharge, okay, 1% of the recharge amount will be used from reward points. And once the recharge is successful, okay, you will receive immediately 2% guaranteed cashback service. On every recharge, okay, you can save through reward points. You can use 1%. You can save that much money, and through cashback you receive 2%. On every recharge you can save total 3%. So you can recharge your own mobile TV recharges, and anybody's doing anybody's mobile or TV recharge also, on every transaction you can save 3%. If a person uses this application regularly in family, every year a person can save 5,000, 7,000 or 10,000 rupees as a cashback every year. Okay, like this. So now we'll go to the main part of this business plan presentation. First, till now, whether you are watching this webinar sincerely or seriously not, I don't know. But if you are really seriously interested to earn lakhs of rupees every month, then the remaining 15 minutes of this plan presentation, please listen to it very carefully. Maybe this 15 minutes will show you a direction where, while staying at your own place also, you can earn every month lakhs of rupees. So please listen it very carefully without any disturbance. In this business, there are several types of income. The first one is here, saving is earning. By using this application itself, you can save every year some thousands of rupees. That is your saving, that is your income. Then second one is referral program income. We will go details of this. Leadership royalty, team royalty, company royalty. The last one is very exciting, that is repurchase income. With this income, you can enjoy this income whole life, every minute, every second of your life. That's really unbelievable. So I kept in the last. Now we'll go to the referral program income. if you refer a person, that means the person knows the whole business details through you and becomes the prime member, pays 70, company gives you 300 rupees as a referral income. You can refer n number of people and you can earn huge money. The more people you refer, the more money you earn. Okay, your team will be larger and you can earn huge money. But to have a very good career, at least refer 5 people or more. That's better. But if a person refers only one person and that person build the business and build a team, then also you can earn money, because there is no binary matching left, right, balance, tension, pressure, nothing is there. It's a simply a level plan income. If one person also works in your business, then also you can earn money. That's really amazing, very interesting. But to have a very good career, at least refer 5 people. So, but if you refer 5 people, you can earn 300 multiplied by 5. That will be 1500 rupees. You earn this much. And these 5 people will be your first level people. Okay. They will be treated as first level people in your business. When they refer 5 each, now in your business, some people may refer 5, some people may refer 10 people, some people may refer 2 people, some may not refer anyone. This will happen automatically. But going that way, you cannot understand this business plan. It will be confused. So let us assume that everybody in your team, they refer 5 people. Then how much money you can earn? And after that, we will go average of that. So let's assume that everybody in your team brings 5 people or makes 5 members to this business. Okay. So ultimately, if these 5 people in your first level, when they refer 5 each, that will be your second level. In your second level, there will be 25 people. And these 25 people are not referred by you. They are referred by your 5 people. So those who have referred them, they will receive 300 rupees each. But for you, this is indirect team, second level. You will receive 2% of 1500. That is 30 rupees from each person. Out of 25 people, your total income will be 750 rupees in the second level. Okay. These 25 people, okay, in second level, when they refer 5 each, okay, that will be your third level. In third level, there will be 125 people. And in third level, you receive 3% of 1500. That is 45 rupees from each person. Okay. And your total income out of 125 people will be 5,625 rupees. Similarly, in the fourth level, you receive 4%. That is 60 rupees from each person. Your total income in the fourth level will be 37,500 rupees. In the fifth level, you receive 5%. That is 75 rupees from each person. Your total income will be 2,34,375 rupees. This is fifth level income. In the sixth level, your total income will be your income will be 66%. That is 90 rupees from each person, and your total income in the sixth level will be 14,06,250 rupees. Okay. In the seventh level, you receive 7%, that is 105 rupees from each person, and your total income in the seventh level will be 82,03,125 rupees. On the eighth level, you receive 8%, that is 120 rupees from each person, and your total income will be 4 crores 68,75,000 rupees. And in the ninth level, you receive 9%, that is 135 rupees from each person. And in the 10th level, you receive 10%, that is 150 rupees from each person. Now, if everybody refers 5 people in your organization, by the time you reach 10th level, your total income will be 178 crores. 178 crores. It's a huge income. Can you imagine? If a person receives 50% success achieved from here, then also 89 crores of rupees he can earn or she can earn. Okay. In this business, it doesn't require 10 years, 15 years, long time to achieve this level. This business grows very fast. Even in coming 3 to 5 years time, 3 years, 2 to 3 years time also, a person can reach a very good level success, earning crores of rupees. Let us say in coming 3 years, if a person will achieve 10% success only, his 90% business is running slow, and with 10% success also, a person can earn 17 crores 80 lakhs of rupees from this business with 10% success. In addition to that, he will receive cashback of his team. It could be 18 crores of rupees. Can you imagine 18 crores of rupees? Who is the person earning 18 crores in even in whole lifetime? The person who is earning every month 5 lakhs of rupees, his 1 year's income will be 60 lakhs of rupees. In 10 years, his total income will be 6 crores of rupees. Whole life means people work for 30 years or 35 years. In 30 years, his total income will be 18 crores of rupees. Now imagine how many people are very close to you, maybe your close friends or close relatives. How many people will be there? Those who are earning every month 5 lakhs of rupees or 18 crores of rupees in a year. Okay. Rarely you may have one or two or three people like that. But spending 1770 rupees once in lifetime, okay, and doing this business without any loss, because every year being a user also we are earning thousands of rupees from this business, okay. So growing this business, and in coming instead of 3 years, okay, if you can earn in 5 years 10% success also achieve that much and earn 18 crores of rupees, can you imagine how that money will impact your life and how that your lifestyle will be? Think about this. Even right now, whichever profession we are in right now, majority of people among us are not making 2 to 3 lakhs of rupees a month, okay. 18 crores of rupees we cannot earn. Majority of people are not in that position right now, okay. So what I want to tell you is, my immediate senior once told me, Mr. Tripathi, I'm not going to earn 1 rupee less than 178 crores from this business. Just think about this, how confident he is. If we attach ourselves to that team, his team, I can say each one of us will definitely achieve 10 or 20% success. If you achieve 10% success, minimum 18 crores of rupees you can earn. If you achieve 20% success, each one of us can earn 36 to 40 crores of rupees from this business. So think about this. Can you imagine with 1770 rupees what we can do? If you keep it in bank, even in a year you will receive 120 rupees only as your interest. If you go to a market, okay, if you go to a very good restaurant of your city with your family for a dinner party, at least in one dinner party you will spend minimum 4 to 6,000 of rupees, correct? If you go to a mall to buy a working shoe pair, okay, minimum 3 to 5,000 rupees it costs to have a choice of your own shoe, correct? Can you imagine? Only with 1770 and without any loss we can start this, grow this business. What else can be given to a person to start, take a decision and start this business? Think about this. So what I want to tell you is, such a fantastic business opportunity. Anyone can do this. If it requires, it will require 50,000, 1 lakh or 2 lakhs of investment. Think 100 times. Doesn't require that much of money. If there is a scope of any loss, then think 1,000 times. But this is not here. So that's why what I want to tell you, after this meeting, those who are listening for the first time, give a big thanks to the person who invited you to this meeting today, okay, because he or she is the number one well-wisher of your family, okay. They want that being a good friend of him or her, you must staying safely at your home, okay, without bearing any loss. You can grow this business and earn lakhs of rupees every month. So to give such a big business opportunity, okay, to you, they invited you to this business. So give them a big thanks. If you have still questions, discuss with them. Even you can discuss with their seniors also if required, over conference call, and take your decision and start this business tonight itself. It's really surprising. I have something surprise at the end of, I will show you. It's a really fantastic business opportunity. Okay. And if a person, okay, so what I want to tell you, just sign up today before going to bed tonight. Okay. After 3 months, you will remember on that particular day, Mr. Tripathi, okay, shared one sentence in the light to start the business tonight itself. And I started that. After 3 months, you will remember that in 3 months, my team size became 800, 1000 or 500, 1500 people. And every day I'm earning 1200 or 1500 or 1800 rupees every day. There are so many people, they have already achieved in 3 months of time like this. And I'm very sure after 3 months, you are also going to tell me same thing. So that's why do not miss this opportunity. Start your business tonight itself after this meeting. Okay. If a person achieves 1% success also from here, a person can receive 1 crore 78 lakhs from this business. This is the 10th level income plan what I have shown you. And through this, you can receive 178 crores up to that level. Now I will show you. I joined this business 10 months back. In last 10 months, how much money I earned or what is practically possible, because calculating on a pen and paper 178 crores is not a big thing. Anyone can explain that. But practically what is happening, if you see that, we will believe that yes, I can also make it. Okay. So just see, this is our next money application. The right bottom, there is a plus sign. I click on there. The second line, bottom second line, that is from the bottom second line, that is transaction. I click on there. From top on the sixth line, you will see total earning reports. I click on there. In last 10 months of time, the day I joined to this business till now, how much money I earned, that will come automatically online. You can watch it, and no need to speak from the mouth. If I speak mouth, there is a chance that some people will say anything can say a person. But when it is online, you can see the what is the really I earn from this business. Just a minute, it will come. You see, it is on the screen already. Total income at the top, you will see 9,40,653 rupees and 90 paise. 9,40,653 rupees and 90 paise. This is my last 10 months income. Out of that, in the first month, I earned only 10,000 rupees. And in last 9 months, I earned 9,30,000. 9 months, 9,30,000 is still good income. Okay. Now, we all know that in last 4 5 months, we are all suffering due to lockdown, shutdown, corona, all these things. But you were all set in your home, and I was also sitting in home. But due to this teamwork, how much money I earned while sitting in my home in lockdown, shutdown also, you just see. Today, 27th October. So I will show you from June 27th till today, 27th October. In the last 4 months, how much money I earned, I will see. Just see. On the screen, you will see total income last 4 months is 5,47,949 rupees and 70 paise. In 4 months, this much means in a month, how much it will be? 1,37,000 rupees. Okay. That means out of total 10 months, you just deduct this 4 months. That means I worked to build the team 6 months. On 7th month onwards, if every month I am receiving 1,37,000 rupees, that is still one of the best business on this planet. I also spent 1770 rupees once for this business, but now every day I am earning on an average 3,500 or 3,700 like this. That means double of this or 2.5 times of this 1770. Just imagine daily this much of money I earning. And the most important part, you have seen the income. Now we'll go to the team size. Just see, there is a my team. I click on there. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 means my first level. I refer till now 15 people. From these 15 people, the team grew up to, at the top left corner of the screen, you just see 69,373 members, total members it is. In last 10 months, from 15 people to 69,373, I never expected such a huge growth, but it happened. On the right top side of the screen, right top corner of the screen, you will see royalty is written. Below that, there is a diamond picture. I am the diamond star of this business right now. And like this business went up to 10th level, 11th level, 12th level, 13th level. It went up to 45 level. In the beginning, I just brought 5 people to this business. And along with them, I started working. And to have the first 100 people team, it took me 1 month, 12 days. But today, the 69,373 people, whoever they make members, all comes in my county. Every day, around 350 to 400 people, every day they join to this team. That means in a month, 12,000 people join to this team. In coming 3 months, it will be 36,000 people more. That means already 69,000 plus 36,000, it will be 1,05,000 people. Already 10 months passed, another 3 months. 13 months, total team will be more than 1 lakh people. Can you imagine if every day I can receive 10 paise only from each person? Just a calculation I am telling you. Then also from out of this 1 lakh people, every day I can earn 10,000 rupees. In a month, it will be 3 lakhs rupees. If building this business for 13 months only, and I can earn every month 3 lakhs of rupees regular income, that is one of the best business on this planet. Correct? My immediate senior, his team size is 2.5 lakhs people right now. He joined this business 1.5 years back. Okay, and now he's earning every month. If you could check, okay, his total income, total team size in coming 1 year, it will be definitely it will be 10 lakhs people. The ratio of growth, if you can check. If it will be once it reaches 10 lakhs people, you will see that I have already told you it's really fantastic. You can earn that repurchase income unbelievably. Just see. Repurchase income. Everybody in your team will definitely, okay, they will do their at least mobile recharge. How much we recharge? That is coming under repurchase income. How much recharge we do for our mobile? If you check it, in every quarter or 3 months, people will do a recharge of 555 rupees or 599 rupees or 600 rupees. If we do a recharge of 600 rupees in 3 months, every month it is on an average 200 rupees. The person who do a recharge of 200 rupees will receive 2% cashback. 2% of 200 rupees is 4 rupees. If you have a team of 10 lakhs people and everybody in your team do a recharge of 200 rupees and receives 4 rupees as cashback, your team's total cashback will be 10 lakhs people multiplied by 4 rupees. That means 40 lakhs rupees. Okay, 25% of this amount, that means 10 lakh. Extra 10 lakh people, 10 lakh rupees, extra 10 lakh rupees, company pays to the seniors on the same mobile recharge. That means the person who did the recharge, okay, above that leader, above that person who referred this person, above that leader, above that leader, above that leader, like this in top 10 levels, 10 leaders will receive the same 10 lakhs equally. That means every leader will receive 1 lakh rupees. That means if you have a team size of 10 lakh people and everybody do a recharge of 200 rupees a month, every month you receive 1 lakh rupees from the recharge of mobiles of your team every month. Now you know every family, wife husband have both two mobiles. One is of wife's mobile, another one is husband's mobile. And the minimum package we do 200 rupees recharge a month in wife's mobile, 200 rupees a month in husband's mobile recharge also. That means if the couple do recharge every month, instead of 1 lakh rupees, you will receive 2 lakh of rupees from the same mobile recharge only from your team. I have not taken to calculation of children's mobile recharge and the parents, old age people in our home, their mobile recharge also I have not taken into calculation. Still, by recharge of wife husband couples mobile only, every month you can receive 2 lakhs of rupees. Similarly, every family will do TV recharge. How much we do? At least 300 rupees TV recharge every month. That means from TV recharge also you can earn 1.5 lakhs from your team. That means in coming 2 years or 3 years or even 5 years time also, if your team size reaches 10 lakhs people, every month from mobile recharge you receive 2 lakhs, from TV recharge you receive 1.5 lakhs. Total 3.5 lakhs every month you can earn as repurchase income. And the moment people will do their recharge, immediately due to instant payout facility, money comes to you. So every minute, every second, you can enjoy this income throughout your whole life. Think about this. Okay, such a wonderful business. In normal life, earning 3.5 lakhs is a very difficult task. Majority of people, it is impossible for them. But once you come to this business and start building this business, for some people it may take 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years time. But the moment team is formed, you can earn huge money. Unbelievable. And in repurchase, some people may or buy products from Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, all are coming at repurchase income. Some people may do flight booking, some people may do order food from the fresh menu. Some people may do bike insurance, car insurance, health insurance, all are coming under repurchase income. And every month, once a team is formed, every month you can earn lakhs of rupees throughout your life. And after me, my nominee can also earn same amount of earning every minute, every second. That's really amazing. Our efforts are, इसलिए people, like people say, like in LIC there is a slogan, जिंदगी के साथ भी, जिंदगी के बाद भी. Like this is such a fantastic business opportunity, this one. So this is all about the business. Even after 10th level also you can earn money as silver star, gold star, diamond star, royalty. That is a separate discussion you can do with the person who invited you later on. But to start this business, this much knowledge is enough. Okay. So you can earn money up to unlimited depth of your team. After 10th level also you can earn money. There is a fantastic, huge income opportunities there. So now I will tell you, from Dasara, last 25th October, till Diwali, that is 14th November, there is an offer given by company. That's really unbelievable. That is called, if you join to this business and upgrade 5 members, that means you make 5 members, then company gives you a silver coin, because this is Diwali offer. 10-gram silver coin you will get extra from this company. And if you if you refer 10 people direct, okay, you can get a gold coin, 0.3 gram gold coin, you will receive that as a special offer by the company till 14th November. And the most importantly, when you just join tonight itself and refer within 2 to 3 days 5 people, okay, you will receive coin, or 10 people, whatever you do. And when they will do business 5 each, they can also receive coin. So with this, before the offer completes, there will be a huge team you can form. As quick as possible, you complete your 5, they will complete their 5, they will complete their 5. And the time is till 14th November itself. Your team will be a huge team. You can build a huge team, and the foundation of your business will be very strong. It will help you. It will. This offer is really fantastic. People has already started building this business from morning till night. People do work hard. So those who are listening for the first time, this is a golden opportunity for each one of you. Start this and join this business tonight itself and start building this business. This offer will make your business foundation very strong. It's really amazing. You can achieve coin, and that will inspire your people. They will also achieve coin. Ultimately, your business will be big, strong team you can build within this 14th November. That's really amazing. Diwali offer is very, very fantastic offer. And if you refer 5 people and they refer 5 each, 525, 2 levels complete, company gives you 3 days, 2 nights free residential training program. Sometimes they organize it in Nainital, sometimes they organize it in Goa, different places. And people pays 15, 20,000 rupees to go to that training program. But if you complete this, either 525 2 levels you complete or 20 direct. If you refer, you can avail that training program free of cost. It's a fantastic program. If you want to be a top level leader in this organization, earning crores of rupees from this business, this type of training is highly essential. And this Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman, our CMD, will be there. All India's top people, all top leaders, you can meet them, you can talk to them, you can see their energy level, their level of success they achieve. That will definitely encourage your team and encourage you to achieve the greatest height. It's really unbelievable. This offer till Deepavali, it's a those who are joining today for the first time, they are lucky. From the day one, they have achieved this great. There is an opportunity to earn huge things and build a strongly this business. So altogether, this is the business plan. Thank you so much, all the leaders. Let us come to our team leaders. So I will ask our dynamic leaders, Silver Star, our dynamic leader, Mr. Arun Kumar from South India, to share few words on this platform. Yes, Arun. Good evening.
Sir, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, Arun.
Yes, wonderful, sir. It's a really nice Diwali offer from company. It's really motivational. More than so, sir, of course, this is a wonderful business opportunity. There's nothing lost. Technically, there is no loss. And hardly there is any investment. I mean, you just need to sacrifice a dinner with of a family for once, and you can get into this. And of course, it's a no frills. I mean, what do I say? It's very simple. I cannot see. I have not found anything else so simpler
Yeah.
than this one. So it's really nice. Take a leap of faith to all the people who have listening to this first time. Take a leap of faith. I mean, 1770 क्या है कुछ नहीं है. But the benefits are quite a large, quite good. So and the team is there to help and support you. I am getting an excellent support from my team and my leaders. Tripathi ji, especially you. Thank you so much for all the help and support, and Virat ji. It's a wonderful thing. I mean, I don't regret. I don't regret this, and I can already see the benefits in terms of referral commissions and cashbacks earning from here. So thank you so much, sir. And for those who are
Thank you.
listening first time, please take a leap of faith. Don't think too much. 1770 is nothing compared to any other business opportunity which involves a lot of investment. It's just you need to talk to your people and make them should come to the plan. And after that, they will then themselves start calculating and making their own calculations as to how to move forward into this. So that's it.
Yeah.
That is what is required, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Arun. Thank you so much. Then I will request one more dynamic leader, Silver Star, Mr. Amiyo Misra, to share few words on this platform. Amiyo sir, are you there? Okay. No issue. So today I want to say you all the people, thank you so much all the leaders for being here and making this event more successful, and the people those who are listening for the first time. This is your life. Okay. and you must live it 100%. And do you know 100% will be only possible with sufficient money. If you have a limited income, you cannot live your life 100%. So that's why it's a fantastic business platform where without any loss you can earn some lakhs and crores of rupees. Don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. This is your life. You must live, okay, the way you want to live. So that's why I will tell you, those who are listening, complete your sign up tonight. And I am there every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I am taking this plan presentation program. You invite your people, I will present personally through these Zoom meetings. And staying anywhere in India, you can grow your team, and slowly and gradually you can also learn and earn huge money. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay safe at home. Officially, this meeting is over. And thanks once again to all of you. Good night.